Meet Turkish MAM-L laser-guided smart munition system. It features Thermobaric, high-explosive blast fragmentation and tandem warheads. The tandem warhead is effective against reactive armor. It can engage both stationary and moving targets with high precision. It has a range of 8 km which is expendable to 14 km with INS, GPS option. Used with UAVs, light attack aircraft, Bayraktar TB2, Anka UAVs, light attack aircrafts and for low payload capacity air platforms. The MAM-L smart micro-guided munitions have already been integrated onto the Bayraktar tactical UAV and Anka male UAV that are currently being used by the Turkish Armed Forces.